In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, several students along with their teachers staged a protest on Monday in Srinagar's press colony against the sealing of their school by the Indian authorities, painting a bleak picture of the occupied territory under the Modi-led Indian regime, particularly after the revocation of the special status of the territory. अपनी पार्टी जम्मू president and former minister Manjeet Singh has said that growing problems in Jammu and Kashmir cannot be resolved without the restoration of the statehood. The 75th founding day of Azad Jammu and Kashmir is being celebrated today with a renewed pledge to continue the struggle till the liberation of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and accession of the whole territory to Pakistan. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the people in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to observe complete strike on October 27 to convey the world that they want immediate end to Indian occupation of their homeland. All-Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that the utter disregard to the United Nations Security Council's resolutions on Jammu and Kashmir by India is a big question on the credibility of the world's body. Hurriyat leaders said Kashmiri's unfulfilled birthright is a big question mark on the UN credibility. The Azad Jammu and Kashmir civil society members paid rich tributes to Zia Mustafa, who was martyred in custody by the Indian troops in Poonch district on this day last year. Martyred leader of all parties Hurriyat Conference Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai and illegally detained senior leader Shabir Ahmad Shah were given presidential awards in recognition of their services for the freedom cause during a function held in Muzaffarabad on the 75th foundation day of Azad Jammu and Kashmir today.